Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into the best large-capacity air fryer with a digital display you can get your hands on. The Gourmia 7-quart digital air fryer oven, model GAF 716. If you're looking for an air fryer that combines power, versatility, and convenience in one sleek unit, this might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Let's kick things off with the design. The Gourmia GAF 716 sports a modern look with black and stainless steel accents, which means it'll blend seamlessly with most kitchen aesthetics. But it's not just about looks. This air fryer is built with a spacious 7-quart XL basket, giving you plenty of room to cook full meals in one go. From a whole chicken to a batch of fries for the entire family, size definitely won't be a problem here. Moving on to the interface. This model features a crisp digital display with 12 one-touch presets. Whether you're frying, roasting, broiling, baking, or dehydrating, you can do it all with just the tap of a button. You don't need to guess cooking times or temperatures, just select the preset and let the air fryer do its thing. It's a game changer for busy households or anyone new to cooking. What really sets the GAF 716 apart is its FryForce 360 degrees technology. This isn't just a gimmick. It's a powerful 1700-watt system that circulates heat evenly from all sides, locking in moisture while achieving that perfectly crispy texture on the outside. And here's the best part. It removes up to 90% of fat during cooking. So you get all the flavor, with way less guilt. It's a healthier alternative to traditional frying, with results that still satisfy. Now let's talk about usability. It comes with a comprehensive control panel that includes temperature and time customization, but the one-touch presets are really where the magic happens. It makes the entire process almost hands-free, which is great for multitaskers. Cleaning up after cooking can often be a hassle, but Gourmia has made that easier too. All the accessories are dishwasher safe, meaning you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. Plus, the unit itself is designed to resist stains and smudges, so it stays looking new even after repeated use. The GAF 716 also includes an automatic shut-off feature for safety and peace of mind. Once your food is ready, the fryer powers down on its own. It's these kinds of thoughtful features that make this model feel premium without the premium price tag. If you're cooking for a family, meal prepping for the week, or just want a single appliance that can handle everything from fries to fish to baked desserts, the Gourmia 7-quart air fryer oven checks all the boxes. It's big, powerful, easy to use, and easy to clean. To wrap things up, the Gourmia GAF 716 is a standout air fryer that lives up to its promise of healthy, convenient cooking with plenty of room for creativity. If you're in the market for a digital air fryer with large capacity and versatile functions, this one definitely deserves a top spot on your list. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, so you don't miss our next in-depth product breakdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.